Hi everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix the error code 103-011-05400 in Pokémon TCG Pocket. This issue usually appears when there's a connection problem, temporary server outage, or corrupted app data. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data signal. If your connection is weak, switch networks or restart your router. Next, close the Pokémon TCG Pocket app completely and reopen it. Sometimes the game just needs a quick refresh to reconnect to the servers. If the error still appears, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Pokémon TCG Pocket and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, you can reinstall the app instead to remove temporary data. You should also make sure the game is updated to the latest version. Visit your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Pokémon TCG Pocket, and install any available updates. If none of these steps work, the error might be on the server side. In that case, wait a little while and try again later. Most players find the issue fixes itself once the servers stabilize. And that's it. That's how you can fix the error code 103-011-05400 in Pokémon TCG Pocket easily. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.